Ooh, 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 ooh. Frankie works 11 to 7. He never got a good education. He don't know no college smart talking. He's a student of the School of Hard Knocks. And Debbie works at some kind of diner, but she'd rather be a rock and roll queen. And her father said she's only a dreamer, but she'll prove to him she's nobody's fool. But together they're gonna work it all out, 'cause on the weekends they can hang out at the park. They can hold hands and listen to the sounds of the saxophone in Central Park, and forget about all the troubles. And now they're living on the good side of jazz. Whoa, the good side of jazz. Whoa, the good side of jazz. Whoa, the rock and roll jazz. Whoa. Frankie got a new pair of chinos, but the boss man likes to talk of the weather. One day Frankie gonna move to Chicago, gonna own his own steakhouse of dreams. And maybe he'll forget about Rita, the high-class ex-girlfriend from downtown. And he'll marry Debbie and have lots of children, and they'll survive thanks to the morals. But together they're gonna work it all out. Yes, together working it out. They're gonna hold hands and listen to the sounds of the vibes in Central Park, and forget about all the troubles. Then now they're living on the good side of jazz. Whoa, the rock and roll jazz times. Whoa, the good side of jazz. What's all they yelling? The good side of jazz. Whoa, I'm on a total. Whoa, I like working on cars. Whoa, I work after 7:30. Whoa, I work in my dad's garage. Whoa.